Morning. Fun stuff today. Checking out some Teslas, meet up with a bunch of guys, and going up to Cypress Mountain to shoot some photos and videos and do some drone stuff. So, should be fun. What are we working with here today?
Just using the Prime right now. Maybe I'll switch up to the 24 later.
Nice. Hey, you can't idle here.
No idling. No idling. The phone, but you can't even charge it.
We just flip it up.
You bend it.
Or I was just doing like straight through.
Straight through, yeah.
Just round it.
Go!
Pro Tesla opening door moves.
I was gonna go, but I have dinner.
Like a boss.
Roll out.
Autobots roll out.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Let's hit it. Yeah.
Nailed it.
I was like 20K, yeah, no
Could do a trek.
way easier, way easier. Oh my god.
What's this? Hilo, what's this? Amazing.
The jet engine sounds every time.
Cops down there. We just drove right to cops.
Yeah. Well, that was kind of what I've been working up to with learning the FPV drone stuff, is because I wanted to follow cars like this. And so I think it worked out pretty good. What do you guys think? And yeah, that was fun. The group of guys with this Tesla's cruise we did was a great group. Having a lot of fun. Hopefully this is the first of many. And yeah, this was fun. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Don't know what it's going to be, so be subscribed so you don't miss it. So thanks for watching.